Hey guys, come grow with me. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing another raised bed and we're going to be using a mixture of our store-bought seedlings and our homegrown seedlings. So we're going to be doing our tomatoes and peppers. So let's get into it. Now just to show you guys a little bit about what I am doing, we're going to be doing some store-bought tomatoes. I bought store-bought tomatoes because all my tomatoes decided to pass on. They have moved on. They are not a part of this world anymore. But I bought these store-bought ones and they were gorgeous and beautiful. And now look at them. They've got all these weird spots on them. If anyone could tell me what the heck is going on, I would love to know. But we're also going to be planting our ají dulce today, which I'm super excited about. Alright, so first up is we're going to start with ají dulce. This is what I'm most excited to put in the garden. It's been doing amazing. These are my seedlings that I started back in March. So, yay! I also have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is only 4, so we're going to do 1 per square foot. Oh, I forgot to put my gloves on. I can't mess up my sick nails. Alright, so our ají dulce is in, and now we're going to continue on with our peppers. I'm going to start with these green peppers, no, red peppers, if I knew how to read. We're going to start with the red peppers, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do 5. I'm going to do 5 pepper plants of each, because I had 5 ají dulce, so I'm going to do 5 of the other varieties as well. Alright, so we got our red peppers in. Now we're going to do our green bell peppers, and then that's it for our peppers. Guys, so I just realized that I didn't put any bone or blood meal inside this bed. So I'm gonna do it after and see how that goes, and some worm castings, and just lay it on top and water it in, and we'll see how that works. Next we're gonna do the tomatoes. Guys, this is the bed all done. We've got all of our tomatoes over here with some marigolds, and then we also have our peppers over here. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. All of our peppers are over here with some marigolds as well. At this point I would usually water and then be done, but it's still pretty sunny out and the soil's wet, so I'm gonna water later on this evening after this video. So, sorry. Whew. All right guys, I broke a sweat. It is hot as hell out today. It's in the 80s. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see what I do with my other beds. I think we still have 5 beds that I'm gonna be working on. I gotta get my onions out, I gotta get my corn planted and squash planted. I'm a little behind on that, but don't forget to tune in and enjoy the ride. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.